WerkMaster Raider XL5 is actually not a planetary design machine. We are a multi-disc grinder. Think of us as 6 hand grinders strapped together with a belt. Our plug-and-go tooling system simply clicks in and is magnetically held in place. We have an intuitive control panel, our on-off, our speed control, and forward and reverse. This allows you to run the tools in both directions. We incorporate a cable routing system for both power and vacuum into the handle. Here is the easy to adjust handle, and then we go to the vacuum pickup, which has been specifically designed to maximize dust pickup. We use a urethane dust skirt, which is held on with Velcro and does a great job of containing the dust. The WerkMaster Raider XL5 is engineered to effortlessly grind along walls, ensuring a seamless finish right to the edge. Its innovative design also allows it to easily maneuver into tight corners, eliminating the need for additional equipment and saving significant time.